Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome back to English in Seconds. I am your host, and I'm thrilled to guide you through today's language learning journey. If you're joining us for the first time, we share a new lesson every single day to help you sharpen your speaking, listening, and comprehension skills. Today's session is truly unique. We are going to explore the power of passive learning English while you rest. In this Fluency Masterclass, you will be exposed to authentic daily conversations, essential phrases, and natural expressions used by native speakers. This lesson is carefully crafted to help your brain absorb the language effortlessly, even while you relax. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily lessons. Now, take a deep breath, let go of any tension, and let's begin this peaceful journey to fluency together. In this advanced English fluency masterclass, you'll listen to real daily English conversations, useful phrases, and natural expressions that native speakers use in everyday life. This lesson is designed to help you absorb English naturally, even when you're resting. Throughout this session, you'll also build your vocabulary with me and explore new ways to understand and remember words deeply. We'll go through calming, clear, and slow English practice that will train your brain to think in English and reach the advanced level step by step. So, whether you're lying down, relaxing, or just closing your eyes, let the English language flow into your mind. You don't have to study hard, just listen, repeat, and allow your brain to learn naturally. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our daily English lessons. Now, take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's start this peaceful English fluency journey together. Welcome once again as you lie down or sit back comfortably. Let your mind open gently to the sound of English. Every word you hear, every phrase that touches your thoughts will slowly become a part of your natural English memory. You don't need to push yourself. You don't need to focus too hard. Just listen, breathe, and allow English to flow through you naturally. Imagine you are walking down a quiet street early in the morning. The world is calm. The air feels fresh. A shopkeeper opens his store and says, "Good morning. How are you today?" You smile and reply softly, "I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" That small exchange may seem simple, but it's the rhythm of real English life. The more you hear and repeat such natural sentences, the more your English becomes automatic. Let's practice slowly. Say it in your mind or whisper softly. "Good morning. How are you today?" "I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" Feel the movement of each phrase. Notice the smooth rhythm. This is how English lives, not in grammar books, but in moments like these. Now, imagine you're in a cozy cafe. The smell of coffee fills the air. You hear soft music playing. The barista asks, "What would you like to drink?" You reply, "I'd like a cappuccino, please." The barista smiles. "Would you like it hot or iced?" You answer, "Hot, please." These everyday conversations train your tongue and your mind to respond naturally. Let's practice together slowly. "What would you like to drink?" "I'd like a cappuccino, please." "Would you like it hot or iced?" "Hot, please." Beautiful. Each sentence flows gently with kindness and clarity. As you hear these words while you rest, your brain connects them effortlessly, like a song you remember without even trying. In this session, your goal is not only to understand English, but to feel it, to hear the emotion behind each tone, to sense the small pauses that make native English sound natural. When someone says, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" there's warmth in that rhythm. Repeat after me slowly in your thoughts. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Now, imagine replying with calm confidence. Yes, it is. It feels so nice today. This exchange may seem ordinary, but this is the true foundation of fluency. Ordinary words used naturally, comfortably, and automatically. Let's go deeper into your daily world in English. Picture yourself at work or in class. A colleague says, "Hey, did you finish the report?" You reply, "Not yet, but I'm almost done." Or maybe you say, "Yes, I finished it this morning." These are simple patterns, but they teach your brain to respond instantly without translation. Repeat quietly with me. Did you finish the report? Not yet, but I'm almost done. Yes, I finished it this morning. Now, to build stronger fluency, we'll practice short connection exercises. These are like little bridges between thoughts. Imagine someone says, "What are you doing this weekend?" You can respond, "I'm planning to meet some friends," or "I might just stay home and relax." Say it softly in your thoughts. "What are you doing this weekend?" "I'm planning to meet some friends." "I might just stay home and relax." Each time you repeat, your pronunciation improves quietly in the background of your mind. As you listen while resting, notice that the structure of English becomes more familiar. Questions usually rise in tone. "Are you ready?" And answers flow downward. "Yes, I'm ready." Your brain learns these musical patterns naturally through repetition and calm listening. Let's practice another real moment. Imagine you're at a store buying groceries. The cashier asks, "Do you need a bag?" You reply, "No, thank you, I brought my own." Or maybe, "Yes, please." These little expressions carry politeness, a key part of fluent advanced English. Repeat with me slowly. Do you need a bag? No, thank you, I brought my own. Yes, please. Feel how polite and balanced it sounds. In English, tone often shows respect as much as words. Now, let's gently build your vocabulary. Think about the word relax. It means to rest or let go of tension. You can say, "I like to relax after work," or "Listening to music helps me relax." Try saying it softly in your mind. Relax. I like to relax after work. Listening to music helps me relax. When you connect words with emotions, they stay longer in your memory. Let's try another vocabulary moment. The word focus. It means to give your attention to something. I need to focus on my English today. It's hard to focus when I'm tired. These phrases are powerful because they show emotion and daily reality. Repeat gently with me. I need to focus on my English today. It's hard to focus when I'm tired. Feel how natural it sounds when spoken slowly and clearly. Now, let's mix practice with imagination. Picture yourself sitting at a desk studying English peacefully. You repeat sentences slowly, and you can almost feel your confidence growing. You don't rush. You listen. You repeat. You breathe, and let English sink in deeper and deeper. Let's do a small practice together right now. Say softly in your mind, "I'm learning English every day. I'm becoming more fluent. I'm improving step by step." These affirmations are not only practice, they are motivation. They train your mind to believe in your own growth. When you combine calm listening with repetition and imagination, English starts becoming a part of your natural thoughts. That's the secret of learning while you sleep. Your brain continues to absorb rhythm, tone, and expression, even in rest. The more often you listen, the faster your brain connects patterns automatically. As you keep listening to this voice, imagine each phrase becoming brighter in your mind, like small lights turning on in a dark room. Each light represents a new English habit, a way to respond, a phrase to remember without effort. Over time, all those lights connect and fill your mind with confident fluency. Now breathe slowly. You are learning. You are growing. Every sentence brings you closer to the advanced level you dream of reaching. You don't need pressure, you just need consistency, calm, and gentle repetition. Let's practice one final moment before we rest for a bit. Repeat after me in your thoughts. English is becoming easier for me. I understand more each day. I feel more confident when I speak. Beautiful. Let that feeling stay with you as you rest. It's calm, it's warm, and it's real. You are learning English not through stress, but through peace and presence. That's how true fluency begins. As your mind stays relaxed, your connection with English grows stronger. You start to notice that words no longer feel like strangers. They begin to feel like gentle friends that